Right, morning folks. I've decided to bite the bullet or take the plunge, and I've come down the plot. I'm actually sat in the car at the moment because it was saying 2 degrees. So I thought I'd come down. Hopefully I might be able to harvest some potatoes. That's my main object. Anything else will be a bonus. Right, I'll pause you a minute and I'll spin you around. Right then folks, here we are. It's 10 to 2 in the afternoon, Thursday, and the frost hasn't cleared off the ground. As I say, when I got in the car it was saying 2 degrees. So all I'm expecting to see, basically, is weeds. But one never knows. On first impressions, not very bad actually. What I can see, the bit on the right will be heavily weeded. Right, as you can see, that's very heavily weeded. That's where I still need to sort me new raised beds. So that's where we had the calabrese. That's not too bad. That's where we have my onions, and that's not too bad. That's not bad at all. Quite happy actually. Just a bit of a hoe. And there's this bed. This is where I'm going to empty the potatoes out on. And there's me leeks. I'm more than happy with those, I think. Might see about getting a couple. Take home. I'll go down this side. I'll show you the potatoes. Whoops, you have to be careful I don't fall because I am so cold. I got 2 pair of socks on, big boots, t-shirt, polo shirt, jersey, wax cat jacket and my body warmer and my hat and super duper thermal gloves. Right, if I can empty those 10 litre pots, I'm not going to be bothered about weighing them separate. I'll weigh them as one and I'll just show you the end result. Right, down this side. So that's where the onions go, so that's not so bad. This is where I had me outdoor tomatoes. Something's been in there, look, digging away. I don't know. Let's say this is where my raised bed. When I get round to it, obviously not to be done in this weather. Right, I'll put you on pause and we'll have a look in the greenhouses. Right, well, chilies galore. What do you reckon? Hey, do I know how to grow chilies? Yeah, of course I do. And even some tomatoes, but they look a bit mank. More peppers and chilies. Chilies. These will be well good. They're drying, so they'll still be alright. I'll take some today, but not all. Depends how warm it is. Load on there. Load on there. Right. Go into the wood greenhouse. Right, here's the wood greenhouse. No peppers. To be honest, I can smell the fungi on the tomatoes, so they will be burnt or put in the corporation bin. They won't be composted. So to say, look at it, disgusting. Right, so that's enough in here. I'll open the cage and we'll have a look in the cage. Right, parsnips. I think that ground might be a bit hard to, solid. So I'm not even going to attempt. Floor it there with calabrese, which I'll probably take. Brussels sprouts don't look very good. There's a few on, might get a few of them today. Even outdoor chilies and peppers look still. The beds are not too bad. So carrots. I doubt I'll be able to pull any of these. We'll see. Whoops. Have a look. Oh, there. Oh, look at that, eh? That's one. That's a good carrot. So, we'll leave it at that. There's another bed ready. Red cabbage. These beds are say quicko, and they'll be all back to normal. Right, catch you in a bit. Right, so there's a nice little harvest of carrots for now, and they're the chilies called Lockie left on the outside. So I've not took that calabrese, but I will do in a minute or two. I took some little Brussels, but pointless showing you them, they're no good. Right, catch you in a bit. Right then, folks. So there's a bit of a potato reveal. These here, with the pink on, these are Cara. The first pot was magic. Second pot weren't so good. But there's 2 30-litre pots there with 2 potatoes in each. I don't know whether they'll be any good. We'll see when we go home. And here is the old faithful Pentland Javelin. Look a bit worse for wear, but they'll clean up. And there I have got 4 10-litre pots. So I'm not too bad an harvest, all in all. Right, I'm going to bag these up and get in the car. See you in a bit. Right then, folks, sat back in the car. I'm sorry for sun shining on us. Let's move. That's better. Right, it's saying 2 degrees and it is cold. I can't try. That's better. I'll try and move you there. So I am now going home. I'm sorry if I'm sniffling. It is cold, and if you can see a glow on my cheeks, because I've got some Vic on it, because I've got a bit of a cold. And as we all know, if you have got a cold and you put Vic on, wow, yes, it stings you, don't it? And it does. Right then, folks, so that's it now for this one. So I hope you enjoy. If you do, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and let me know what you think of my little cold winter's day harvest. Right, take care all, be good, be safe, and look after your loved ones. Cheers now, bye.